If you're looking to buy audiophile headphones and your price range is in the $100 to $200 price range, then these headphones are definitely worth a look at. So let's take a closer look and see if these headphones are the right ones for you. So this is the HD58X Jubilee, and it's a collaboration between Sennheiser and Drop. And it's actually one of the best budget audiophile headphone options out there. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here are the headphones. I'll put them aside really quick to see what else is in the box. You get a small instruction manual, and that's pretty much all that is in the box. So if you're at all familiar with the Sennheiser HD650 or HD6XX, then these will look very similar to that. Comes with a nice long cable, since this headphone is meant to be used on your desktop with your dedicated DAC and amp. But you could definitely use it with other devices such as your smartphone or laptop just by removing the included 3.5mm to 6.35mm adapter. So the headband here is made out of metal and you can adjust it easily and you can feel it go through several steps. So you should be able to adjust both sides to the same level. And here we have the iconic Sennheiser velour ear pads. They feel very good, very plush, and you can kind of see the driver in there if you look closely. Of course, it is covered by this black material here. It has a nice left and right swivel, as well as top and bottom swivel. All right, so I'm definitely gonna give these HD58Xs a try with lots of different music and using different DACs and amps and different devices. I'm also interested to see how they do for gaming since they are budget headphones. And you can also attach a mod mic pretty easily to this headphone. So I'll be right back with my full review of these headphones. All right, so I spent a good amount of time listening to the HD58X with both music and with gaming. So first, let's start off with gaming. I used the headphones with several different games, but mostly tried them with Valorant. And I could definitely say that they have very good imaging. I was able to hear what side the enemy was coming from. But not only that, I was able to also tell their distance as they were approaching me, which is equally as important. Overall, I would say that these headphones are very good for competitive games like Valorant and Warzone. And best of all, because of the design of the grills, you can easily slap on a mod mic on here and make these into a very good gaming headset that you can use whether you're gaming or listening to music. Now let's move on to sound quality. And the sub bass really extends very low on these headphones, and they are very pleasant to listen to. You really get to feel the music as you're listening to it. The bass in general on these is very good considering that they are open back headphones. Bass guitars and drums sound great on these, and I would say that the bass is definitely emphasized on these headphones, even more so than the HD6XX and HD650 headphones. As far as the mid-range, I was pleasantly surprised given the price range of these headphones. Both vocals and guitar strumming sounded very good on these, and I think a lot of people will enjoy the sound that these headphones produce in the mid-range. Honestly, I wasn't expecting the level of clean sound in the mid-range without any type of distortion that these headphones produce. Where things get a little tricky is the upper mid-range and the treble. You see, these headphones have what a lot of people refer to as the Sennheiser veil. And what I mean by that is you're not gonna hear the higher level of clarity that you would with other headphones such as the Beyerdynamic DT1990 Pro. So if you are looking for a headphone where you can hear all those small details, then maybe these headphones are not the ones for you. Now the Sennheiser veil is not necessarily a bad thing as it produces a much smoother sound that is easy to listen to without any harsh or sharp sounds, which in turn lets you listen to your music for much longer without any fatigue. If you are new to the audiophile hobby and are looking for headphones in the $100 to $200 price range, especially closer to the $100 side, then these headphones are definitely worth a look at. They not only work for listening to music, but also for gaming, which is a nice plus. If you're interested in picking up these headphones, you can use my special affiliate link down in the description, which will get you $10 off for new Drop members, and it's absolutely free to become a Drop member. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.